Minnesota does not allow self-help repair and deduct. You may not hire a repairer, pay the bill, and subtract it from the rent, the law says, in terms that you keep paying and may not withhold rent to remedy a violation. Be careful with the wording here, because the opposite overstatement is just as wrong. A repair and deduct outcome does exist in Minnesota, but only when a judge orders it as part of a judgment. The route that gets you there starts with written notice to your landlord naming the violation, delivered where you normally pay the rent. If it is not put right, you do not spend the rent. You deposit it with the court administrator with an affidavit, and the court takes it from there. That is a rent escrow action, and it is the reason this page builds a rent escrow notice rather than a deduction letter. The page carries the Minnesota detail, which violations open the route, what the notice has to say, and what happens at the hearing. Enter the details once and the page produces the finished document for you, dated and ready to send. Free, no sign up, no email required. Like, subscribe, and come and take the actual form. It is waiting for you at tenantscreeningbackgroundcheck.com. Free, no account needed.